Hi everyone again. So this is the part 3 and it's the continuation of the second chapter, charts in MS Excel 2016. So in that previous video we just explored about the different types of charts. So there were few charts remaining, so let's just understand them too. I've already selected the data, so let's just understand the remaining charts, the charts which were remaining in the last uh, video. So there is a chart known as the donut chart. So donut chart relationship show करेगा of the paths to a whole. जैसे पाई चार्ट पे होता है ना कि इट कंटेन वन मोर देन वन डेटा सीरीज, ठीक है, तो हर उसमें रिंग होता है, तो ईच रिंग ऑफ द डोनट इट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ डेटा सीरीज, ठीक है. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो इट टू यू. दिस इज द donut chart, ठीक है. let me just maximize it. This is the donut chart, ठीक है. So now if you can see it clearly, so the inner ring जो है, इसका जो inner वाला ring है, it is representing the matches won in the last 4 years and the outer one is for the matches played. There are two rings. Let me just show it to you. ये हो गया. तो जो outer ring है, it is representing the matches won in the last 4 years and the inner ring is representing the matches won in the last 4 years and the outer ring is representing the matches played in the last 4 years. All right. So this particular is known as the donut chart. Donut chart. All right, so let's just explore the other remaining charts. Insert, I think tree map charts and sunburst and waterfall charts were remaining, so let's just finish them off today. Tree map, yes, we got this tree map chart, so let's just select it. Tree map, let's just wait a second. Let's just I'm not comfortable in this chart. I'll just go with the other one. Tree map chart. Acha, same only. It's all in all, it's correctly represented. Let me just bring it in its original form. All right, so this is the tree map chart. रेक्टेंगल के फॉर्म में होता है हमारा दिस ट्री मैप चार्ट. It is represented as the rectangles and each sub branch is represented as the smaller rectangle, ठीक है. So the patterns here are these patterns, they are easily identifiable by the different colors. अलग अलग कलर दिया हुआ है और वही सेम चीज़ हो गया, वही proportion बनाया है साइज़ का जो उसके वैल्यू को करस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है. ऑल राइट, सो लेट मी जस्ट शो इट टू यू. सो ईयर 4 में कितना है हमारा 12 हाईएस्ट. ऑल राइट, so year 2 में हमारा let's just see the highest and the smallest. so year 1 में हमारा 4 है. all right, so this is the tree map chart. So let's just quickly explore and see how does the other two chart, that is the sunburst chart and the waterfall chart, they look like. ठीक है, this is the sunburst chart. As we can see, we cannot see right now. Now we can see. ऑल राइट, सो ऐसे ना कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स होते हैं. कॉन्सेंट्रिक मीनिंग सर्कल के अंदर सर्कल, ठीक है. तो कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स के फॉर्म में होता है सनबर्स्ट चार्ट, ठीक है. एंड ईच सर्कल ये आपका दिखा रहा है जितना भी आपका डेटा इन द लेवल ऑफ हायरार्की. लेट मी जस्ट शो इट टू यू. ईयर 1 सबसे कम मैचेस, ईयर 4 सबसे ज़्यादा मैचेस. All right, so this sunburst chart has also been done. So there's only one chart remaining, waterfall chart. So here you go. This is the waterfall chart. Wait a second, wait. Charts. All right. Charts. Waterfall chart. So we were doing the waterfall one. Okay, I'm so sorry. I just forgot to select the data. Don't know what I did. Waterfall chart. All right. So now, all right. Where has the chart gone? Okay. So it just focuses on the data points which make up the total. सो यूजुअली ना ये जो डेटा चार्ट होता है ये यूजुअली टोटल इनकम या नेट इनकम के लिए यूज़फुल होता है. ठीक है, कितना ऊपर चला गया, कितना डिक्रीज़ हो गया, कितना टोटल एंड ऑल. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ इट फॉर दिस चैप्टर एंड दैट is it for this video. So kindly perform these practicals and send me the files. So by that time, take care of yourself.